Hello everyone, this is Ben and this is I believe my third part of my rebuilding project of the original 1911A1 from WE, and it's finally finished, and here it is. As I noted before, all of the parts on the gun are original, except for now, of course, the grips. All the screws are original, hence this one's sticking up here. That one's had an issue for a while now, but whatever. The slide stop, the thumb safety, the spring, and the plunger tube section, along with another plunger, the one that goes up against the safety. Those are not the original. And just recently, I had to replace, after 4 long years of runtime, this plastic piece here that finally broke 2 days ago. So I just recently put the newer one in. That should be fine. Should be fine for a couple more years or so, being how I don't fire the guns a lot. But we'll see how my luck is with that. Anyways, as far as functioning, no, it's not a paperweight. It actually functions. It acts just fine. The safeties work just fine. Mag release works fine. This is the original mag to it, so it better work fine. It does work. It does propel gas. I don't know about propelling BBs because I haven't done that yet. But it does feed BBs though. I'm not gonna shoot right now, of course, because I'm inside. But put 3 BBs in here. There we go. Oh, it locked for the first time ever. That's funny. Yeah, kind of like this jammed up now, but hey, I'm not complaining because it finally locked for the first time. For, not the first time ever, but for the first time since I rebuilt it. And that's pretty good, so I'm not going to complain about it jamming up like that. It's an easy fix. I was just about to complain too about how it doesn't lock back. Let's see if it does it again. Nah, don't push your luck. It's weird though, because it won't fit the brand new magazine from my third version, 1911, that I've showed in my other videos. But it will fit all the other magazines from WE, single stacks. So yeah, everything seems to be running nice, going smoothly. The only thing, like, this isn't just my gun. I'm sure other people have had that issue. I call that, like, a fatal flaw, big time. That's puts all my other problems with WE aside. Even the paint problem or whatever is that little black plastic piece by the hop-up. That's horrible. They should definitely make it like the Mark IV or Mark V from KJW, I believe. They're 1911. What else? There is a lighter hammer on here because I have modified the spring. You might be able to tell by the sound of it. It's not as heavy as it normally is. But to the paint, here's an odd thing. I've used the same Bristolium paint on the slide a few years back. 2 years back, to be precise. That I've used on the frame, and already today, the frame has some chipping there. I don't know what that is. Maybe I got like tree bark hands or something. Who knows? But figured I'd show the video now rather than waiting until all the paint's gone and I had to repaint it. But there you go. I'll have a shooting video up, like I said, sometime. Alright, guys. Thanks for hearing me out and watching this, and you have a good day.